me open this! Chat! Help! Oh my gosh. Oh. Bro, I cannot believe that box got us down and out like that.
I just don't know if I can ever rip again.
Man, I wouldn't be like that. We can definitely rip again.
I just don't know, man. I just don't know. I don't think I can. I just don't
Did
think
GSP give up after getting knocked out by Matt Serra in one of the biggest upsets in UFC history? No, he got back on that horse and went and destroyed Matt Serra.
Yeah, you're
Did
right.
GSP give up after he lost to Johnny Hendricks but won?
Okay, no, you didn't have to bring that up. Like, it wasn't that close of a fight. Like,
Actually, he did. He retired.
GSP won.
But he came back and he beat Michael Bisping a weight class up. Gave himself ulcerative colitis. But hey, we have stomach problems too.
Aaron, you're right. It's time to get some redemption. I'm right there with you, brother. Come on, we hit a Seth Petrozelli auto. Come on. We got to keep getting this work in. Come on. Can't give up yet. Come on.
Come on, man. Get mad. Get mad. Remember, GSP lost to Matt Hughes before he beat him. And GSP got knocked out by Matt Serra.
Come on, Aaron. We only got one numbered card. People want Ruby. They want to see Ruby. Say it with me. Ruby. 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 Ruby.
Let's go, Chris. Let's go. Round 2 for the title shot. Round 2 for the title shot, baby.
Dude, the Brilliant Card Show, that's what it's about. If we hit 1,000 subs, Aaron's gonna shave his head. At the Brilliant Card Show. Flight 27. PowerCardShows.com. I think it's time.
we're ready.
I think it's time.
I think we're ready.
We're ready for redemption. Let's do this thing, man.
All right, Seth Petrozelli. I know you shut down a whole organization when you knocked out Kimbo Slice in 15 seconds.
Yeah.
But you're not doing that to us with that
No.
Matt Auto relic card.
Yeah.
Today, it's redemption. We're coming for one-on-ones, rubies, relics, all that and more. Every card in this box is going to be a hit, baby.
It's gotta be, right? Right?
Get ready for round 2, title shot.
No, this is title shot, not round 2.
Well, I mean, but it's our second time.
Yeah, I get it, but, you know, it's not.
You ruined, you just stripped my hype away.
Okay, buddy. All right, so you can see right here, we got this ready to open. Looks beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Holy
that
cow.
Bruce Buffer.
I mean, if you've seen the last box, you know what's in here. So we're not going to take as much time on the base. Say we kind of just run through the base pretty quick.
Yeah.
All right.
Last time we were going through history. This time
We're
hitting the mysteries, baby.
Yeah,
we're hitting the mysteries.
We know we got. I opened the last one.
rhyme.
You do this one because I started the last one. Okay.
All right.
It would be unfair if I started this one.
We're just gonna start.
Just make sure you get in the camera. Camera angle is tough.
Oh yeah, I got to
We're
pay
working on
attention to it.
I might have to turn the overhead light on if it's too dark on the cards.
All right, we got a Mirko. Should we just go straight to the back?
Yeah, if you guys
We got
haven't seen it.
Pascal, Rusmar, Matt Hughes. Oh, we got upside downs. That means there's a hit in here, right?
Hoist Gracie. That's good.
Brett, John Fitch.
Oh, this is already better than the last one.
Brian Stan, Tom Lawler,
And a Mark Coleman.
Brock Lesnar,
Ooh.
Carwin, and then we got a gold Clay Guida and Marcus Davis. All right, not
Nice.
too bad, not too shabby.
No, way better start than last time. Got the light on so you guys could see a little better. Well, the second light out of the two. All right, so we got Phil Davis. That's not a good sign. We already got him. We're just gonna kind of run through, let you guys see the cool artwork on the base.
Is that Cain Velasquez?
But
Yeah, baby.
Cain Velasquez, pretty cool. Zabit was 2017. I was just thinking, what if Zabit was here? This could be an auto. Jake Ellenberger.
Top contenders.
Top contenders. That's cool little
I
insert
like
right there.
these cards.
That's really cool. Ooh, GSP and Fitch right there.
Hey, lost the GSP
A
collection.
gold Brock Lesnar.
Sick.
And a gold
Takanori Gomi.
That's actually dope.
That is sick,
We're
dude.
going to sleeve those.
And leave those,
Dude,
baby.
those are super cool.
Oh, look at you. You left me the right pack.
I know.
Oh,
I'm so
sweetheart.
kind. So kind. Dude, this is already looking way better. I'm way more hyped for this too, especially that huge training session we just did.
Oh, exactly.
I mean, that took some work.
Look, we got Anthony Pettis.
What's up, guys? It's Editor Chris here, taking a quick little break from your regular scheduled program to let you know that the Burlington Card Show just secured Teddy Long, a WWE Hall of Famer, to be signing at the Burlington Card Show for autographs at only $20. So you can do mail-ins, or we'll have custom cards available on our website that we will be selling very soon. And you can check out more on our Instagram, Pal Productions NC, to get a Teddy Long auto, WWE Hall of Famer, class of 2017. Now back to the regular scheduled program.
First ever fighter on a Wheaties box. I got to get the actual John Hathaway, Yoshihiro Akiyama, Nate Diaz,
Ooh.
Vladimir, Cyril, Aaron
Aaron.
Simpson, Quentin Jackson, Rich Franklin, Chael
Chael
Sonnen,
Sonnen.
golly, Stephen Struve. We got Vitor Belfort.
Nice. That's actually really cool.
These are crazy. Then we got Griffin versus Jackson, a gold Vitor, and then a gold Chris Lytle. Okay,
Dang.
that was a decent
That was a
pack.
juicy pack
Like, I
right
mean,
there. That thing was juicy. I'm taking one from your right side, dude. I got to go with the Aaron
All right,
side.
I got you.
Like, this is the way to go, I feel like. All right, we got Martin Campman. We got, like I said, Matt Hughes. I'm going to flip these just because they're all upside down.
Nice.
Hoist Gracie again. This guy, John Fitch. Leota Machida. That's a dope Leota Machida, too. Antonio Rodrigo Nigiro. Yep. Josh Koscheck. Jim Miller. Chael Sonnen. And an Evan Dunham.
Oh, yeah, we got his auto last box.
Sorry, I just put the flashback in there, sadly. A Frank Mir, we got his patch in the last box. A Kendall Grove. Oh, that's not bad.
All right.
And a Pascal Kraus gold debut. Those are pretty cool. That was another good pack of just like nice, high-end people. That's what we're looking for.
But we're looking for the high-end hits of these high-end people, man.
Exactly. I don't want no Phil Davis today. No Phil Davis today. He's on
You
the front
shouldn't
of
have
the
said
pack.
nothing, dude.
I
Forrest
really
Griffin,
shouldn't have.
Michael Bisping, Cain Velasquez. We got Kurt Pellegrino, Pat Austinwood, Jake Ellenberger, Chansung Jung,
That's actually dope.
Damian Maya,
They put some. Oh,
Junior Dos Santos.
no auto. Junior Dos Santos again.
Let's go, baby.
That's cool.
Rampage. Then we got Miguel Falco and TJ O'Brien.
Nice.
Not too shabby.
So no hits yet.
Nah.
That's kind of scaring me, dude.
I don't know. I kind of like it.
I'm stressing. All right. We do have something thick in here, so we definitely got some hit in here.
We got-
Rich Franklin. Oh, that's a great start. Rick Story, Chad Mendez, Sean Shirk, Tyler Toner, Paulo Thiago. We got this
Usmar
guy.
Pajares.
Yup, exactly. Jens Pulver, and this should be a patch right here. An auto of Bart Pawlowski.
Okay. Hey, look. That's the worst card we're getting today.
That's the worst card. It has to be the worst card. We're going to still sleeve it.
And
Somebody love that
We're
guy.
definitely going to leave it.
Sean Shirk. We got a gold Kurt Wartenberger and a gold Tyler Toner.
Okay.
Debut. All right, that was the toughest pack so far, and we're not talking about the tough team. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly, brother.
Dude, that was a tough one.
Okay, all right. How many
All
more
right.
times can you say tough?
I took the worst. I mean, it's Bart Simpson.
Look,
bro.
think
we
about it.
literally
We got
pulled Bart
three-
Simpson.
We got. Well, we got. Do we have 2 or 3 more hits?
Should be 3 more hits. 2 mims, 1 auto.
Yeah, we got 6 packs.
All right. And we got our RPA, or our patch auto already.
Yeah, thank goodness it's not RBA.
Palazewski.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the rookies are even bad.
Brock Lesnar.
Brock Lesnar, baby.
Let's see, we got nothing thick in here.
Could be an auto.
We got Big Country,
Nice.
Miguel
what do you think this
Falco,
rookie is?
Dan Hardy.
It's got to be round 2, right?
It must be.
Court McGee.
Pat Barry, Carlos Condit. Ooh, Jens
You're
Pulver.
fumbling. That's why I just
I
throw him
am.
aside.
All right.
George, stop the apocalypse.
There we go, baby. Matt Serra.
Let's go. That should be... Oh, nice.
Top 10 title fights, Hughes and Trigg.
We got a numbered. Kendall Grove, numbered out of 188.
Let's go, baby.
Nice.
Gonna sleeve that.
All right,
I'll
show
sleeve
it
it.
off
I'll
real
sleeve
quick.
it.
Kendall Grove out of 188 up there. Not bad. 35 on the print. We'll take that. That's a hit right there. You'll
Let me
sleeve
get
it.
those sleeves that you always
Oh.
keep to yourself.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Hey,
Hey, look, they're right here within arm's reach of you.
right
By the way.
here. Because your last name. Ugh.
All right, you about to get the next hit, baby.
Sorry, I had to sniff this one, dude. I'm telling you, this is it. This is the pack. This is the pack. There's a patch card in here. Holy cow. This is the pack. Leota Machida. Rogero Nagiro. We can never say his name. Josh Koscheck. Frank Mir.
Scott
Scoot.
Jorgensen.
Yep. Mark Munoz.
Jon
Jon
Jones.
Jones. Is that a good sign?
Ricardo Almeida.
That's a
purple
cool.
patch.
That's a
Not
cool
too
patch
bad,
color, though.
honestly.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Not numbered on the patch, but still really cool. Cool to get his patch. Ortiz versus
Just
Shamrock.
throw it on top of the pile.
He's mid. Will Campuzano debut and a Big Country Gold.
Let's go, baby.
That's actually dope. I remember in one of my first Chicken 101 breaks. Obviously not the first one I got into. Ah! That's what you just said. But I
didn't send it flying.
I did like a hitter is what it's called. So you get one of the like 6 cards.
Yeah.
You pay like the $65.
Yeah.
And I got a Big Country. It was just some insert out of Finest, but it was super cool.
All right. We got Koscheck.
This is
Frank
the.
Mir.
I feel like we've seen this
Oh.
exact pack.
This is
This is scary.
Alan Belcher.
Alan Belcher's different.
Paulo Tiago. Pat Milton.
That's actually really cool. I mean, like, it looks like a Leaf card, though. That's my only issue with those. Is like, it just looks like Leaf, you know?
Nagara, Mike Swick, and Dong Yang. Okay.
Dang, dude. I might hit everything today, Aaron. I got the pack.
I know, but I hit everything last box, so... it's
Yeah.
fair.
I didn't pull that Phil
It's
Davis. I didn't pull that Phil
Now you
Davis.
can't sit here and say, I fucked it up.
All right, nothing thick in here, but we'll see. Because we might have the last 2 hits and last 2 packs, so we're going to
That'd
go
be
through some
crazy.
base. A lot of base you've already seen, actually. Ooh, that's a cool picture. I haven't seen that one yet. We can basically make a set. So if you want a full set of this, stop the apocalypse, baby. Matt Serra. I might just start PCing him now. Pablo Garza. Ooh, that one looks kind of shiny.
Silver versus Sonnen. Oh!
That's so dope. It looks shiny, though. I don't know why. I was just looking at it. The lettering. I don't know. I'm weird. We'll sleeve that one.
And leave this.
We got a numbered card of Ricardo Almeida.
Yeah, baby!
Out of 140 out of 188. A Ricardo Almeida.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
That's wild. That's insane. So you actually get a hit. That's good at least. You get 1 hit out of the whole box. It better be a good one. This is our redemption arc, Aaron. We don't mess this up. We never mess these up. This is for you guys right here. This pack is the one.
We still have one more.
Well, this is the one, though.
I got you.
I'm telling you, yours.
Oh
is the
yeah,
one.
because we got the one fighter that beat Jon Jones. Matt
Okay.
Hamill, Anthony Pettis, Wheaties Box, John Hafford.
You got the auto in here.
I do.
I think so. This should be the auto. Keep it going.
Vladimir. Ugh.
There's so many. It should be the next card. The next
Tito.
card should be an auto. Unless we got shortened an auto? No way.
Shane Carwin and Ryan Bader.
We only have 1 patch and 1 auto, and there's supposed to be 2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Our redemption arc might not be right. This might not be a redemption, brother.
Okay. Maybe.
We're about to find out. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of stressing. Brock Lesnar. Honestly, Big Country.
Or is it maybe we get another numbered card and it's like 3 numbered cards?
But it shouldn't be that. That should not be it.
Chael.
John Fitch.
What?
Anderson Silva. We got topped!
Fuck.
No! There's no way!
Chat.
There's no way that's the box we get. We did all that training for this. We really just got topped.
I mean, how is it that the box is the best part about the whole thing? Like, literally.
They're going to get a vigorous letter from Pal Rips on YouTube.
I mean, yeah, we have this recorded.
Dude, I'm in so much pain. That's a tough one. We didn't get any rubies. We didn't get any 1-of-1s. Don't forget to subscribe so that Aaron will shave his head at 1,000 subs. Because,
Yes.
I mean, come on, guys. That would be
And
fun.
also, if you want to see it happen, don't forget to come to the Burlington Card Show July 27th.
We'll see you there. We'll see you square. Don't open Title Shot.